So now I'm going to show you the return trip. This is the back road to my house from the beach. This is a nice spot right here. You can see how brown everything is. I mean, it's been so dry for the last couple months, at least, maybe longer. Very brown. Everything is browned out. The dry season in South Florida. This is another piece up here after we get over the railroad tracks that I especially like on this route. They've done a lot of cutting in here though. Not too long ago, right alongside the road here was all tall, beautiful tall reeds growing. They've cut that down. All right, that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you respond to the challenge, at least in the comments section, and preferably you get on a program of your own that works for you. Because good health in the end, in the final analysis, is the most important thing for all of us. And I don't mean to sound preachy, but you don't have your health, you got a problem. And if you have your health, You're way ahead of the game. Yeah, these herons here are protected species, by the way, so you have to stop. Take care, guys. Be well out there, and I'll talk to you soon.